Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to talk about locking the inspector in Scrivener 3 for Windows. This feature is available when you're working in a split editor, so 2 pages at once on the screen. If the inspector isn't locked, as you move between editors, the inspector will change. This may not be what you want. To lock the inspector to an editor, right-click on the header bar of the editor and choose Lock Inspector to Editor. A red icon will appear, and the inspector will have a pinkish toolbar. Now the inspector will only track what you do in the editor you've specified. When you're finished, just click onto the red icon and the lock is removed, or close the editor. Now, I didn't easily find any mention of this in the manual, but it seems to only work when you have a container selected. For example, a folder. So that's something to be aware of. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.